we're going to explain how to call a stored procedure in Oracle. This is a fundamental task in Oracle database programming, allowing you to execute pre-written blocks of SQL and PL/SQL code. There are several ways to achieve this, depending on whether the procedure has input parameters, output parameters, or both. We'll cover the most common methods. 1. Calling a procedure without parameters. The simplest scenario involves a procedure without any input or output parameters. To call such a procedure, you simply use the execute statement followed by the procedure's name. For example, if you have a procedure named update stock levels, you'd call it like this: execute update stock levels. This will execute the procedure's code. You can verify the results by querying the relevant tables afterward to see the changes. Calling a procedure with input parameters. Procedures often require input values to function correctly. These input parameters are specified within parentheses after the procedure's name, separated by commas. Each parameter is assigned a value using the assignment operator side. Example: let's say process order is a procedure that takes an order ID as input. Execute process order ID 12345. This will execute process order with the order ID set to 12345. Remember to match the data types of your input values with the parameter definitions in the procedure. 3. Calling a procedure with output parameters. Procedures can also return values using output parameters. These parameters are declared using the out keyword in the procedure definition. When calling a procedure with output parameters, you need to declare a variable to store the returned value. Let's say getCustomerName returns a customer's name in an out parameter. First, declare a variable. Declare customer name, varchar 100. Then call the procedure and assign the output value. Execute getCustomerName, customer name equals customer name. Finally, you can display or use the customer name variable, which now holds the returned value. You would use the DBMS as output put line statement. Remember to enable it first using set server output on to print the output to the console. Example: DBMS output put line customer name. 4. Calling a procedure with both input and output parameters. Combining the previous two approaches, you can call a procedure with both input and output parameters. Example: consider a procedure calculate discount that takes an order total as input and returns the discounted amount as output. Declare discounted amount number. Begin calculate discount order total equals 1000. Discounted amount equals discounted amount. DBMS.output. Put line. Discounted amount, hang discounted amount, end. This code first declares a variable, discounted amount, then calls calculate discount, passing in the order total and receiving the discounted amount back. Finally, it prints the result. Note the use of begin and end to encapsulate the procedure call within a PL/SQL block, which is necessary when using DBMS output. Remember the CALM at the end to execute the block. Remember to always check your procedure's definition to determine the correct parameters and their data types to avoid errors. These methods offer a comprehensive approach to interacting with Oracle stored procedures. Careful consideration of parameter types is crucial for successful execution.